What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.026, down 3% on the day. See a market cap of 560 million. 24 hour, excuse me, 24-hour volume. Choking on some watermelon. Tropical. 48.52 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So what I think is likely is we're sitting in the wave 4 pullback zone. Now Bitcoin's seeing a little bit of a move here. If we were to see the wave 5 from here, then Gala will put in its wave 5 as well. I do think the wave 5 is more likely than seeing the alternative scenario, which is that this impulse is finished and then you would see a larger wave 2 pullback into this target zone. But if we take our fib retracement, what are we measuring here? From the bottom of the wave 2 to the top of the wave 3, then a wave 4 pullback is in between 0.024 and 0.026. We're starting to see a reaction. So if we can come up and break this local previous high at 0.0268, that's more confirmation you're going to start to push up in the wave 5. I'll give you a target for that. Take a fib extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. Target the 618. So that would be your target. Any break above the 3 can complete the 5, but the normal target is the 618 at 0.030. And then we'll see a larger pullback. If we break 0.024, then we'll look for that alternative 2. But as of right now, my main focus is pushing up in one more higher high, continuing to follow our wave count, pushing up in a wave 5. All right, gang, we're in 4 trades right now in some juicy profits. You can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you sign up to either Bickit or Bybit. Make your first deposit and then email me your sign-up email. Takes 2 minutes, and you receive a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, which I post daily. Crypto news, member profits, auto, all plays, Forex signals and analysis, giving trade signals for Forex as well. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.